Hi everyone, on this video I'm gonna show you how to cut videos on Kdenlive. So if you wanna cut videos for Kdenlive, this is how you do it. So first, all you need to do is drag a clip on the timeline, and then once you drag the clip on the timeline, you just need to select which time you want the clip to be cut. So for example, I want to cut the clip on this time. Just select the scissor icon on the side of the application and then go to your clip and select the time that you want the clip to be cut. Just click on it and there you go, the clip is already cut. You can actually delete this and insert another clip after the cut video. And that's how you cut a video on Kdenlive. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.